Before automation transformed manufacturing, before robots assembled products with precision, before digital systems monitored production lines, factories depended on people, millions of people, workers who operated machines, moved materials, maintained equipment, built products, and kept the machinery of industrial civilization running. These workers needed tools. Some were mechanical, some were technological, and some were surprisingly simple. Among the most important was a garment known as the factory shirt. At first glance, it seems ordinary. A shirt, fabric, buttons, sleeves, nothing extraordinary. Yet throughout the industrial age, this humble garment played a critical role in daily working life. The factory shirt was not designed primarily for fashion. It was designed for function, durability, comfort, affordability, reliability. It became one of the defining garments of industrial society. To understand its significance, we must first understand the environment in which it emerged. The Industrial Revolution transformed human history. Factories replaced many traditional forms of production. Machines increased output dramatically. Urban centers expanded. Economic systems evolved. Entire societies reorganized around industrial activity. But industrial environments introduced new challenges. Heat, dust, grease, mechanical wear, long working hours. Workers required clothing capable of surviving these conditions. Ordinary garments often proved inadequate. Factory owners and workers alike recognized the need for practical workwear. The factory shirt emerged as a solution. Its design reflected the realities of industrial labor. Strong fabrics reduced wear. Simple construction lowered costs. Loose enough for movement. Durable enough for repeated use. Everything served a purpose. The garment represented efficiency translated into fabric. Material selection became especially important. Cotton dominated many factory shirts because it offered several advantages. It was relatively affordable, comfortable for long shifts, breathable in warm environments, easy to clean. As textile production expanded, cotton became increasingly accessible. The shirt benefited directly from the very industrial systems it helped support. In many ways, the garment and the factory grew together. Durability remained a central concern. Industrial work placed enormous stress on clothing. Workers lifted heavy objects, operated machinery, moved continuously throughout the day. Garments needed to withstand repeated strain. Reinforced stitching became common. High-quality seams extended lifespan. Every improvement reduced replacement costs. Practicality guided design decisions. Psychology also influenced workplace clothing. Uniformity creates order. Shared appearance encourages group identity. When workers wear similar garments, they become part of a collective effort. The factory shirt contributed to this effect. It reduced emphasis on individual display and increased focus on productivity. The garment became associated with professionalism and reliability. Its appearance communicated readiness for work. Factories themselves varied enormously. Textile mills differed from steel plants. Food processing facilities differed from machine workshops. Yet the factory shirt adapted remarkably well. Small modifications addressed specific needs. Different fabrics, different cuts, different levels of reinforcement. The core concept remained consistent. A practical garment supporting industrial labor. Safety gradually became more important as industrial knowledge improved. Early factories often exposed workers to significant hazards. Over time, regulations expanded. Protective measures improved. Workwear evolved alongside safety standards. Factory shirts incorporated stronger materials and more thoughtful designs. Clothing became part of broader workplace safety strategies. The relationship between workers and their clothing deserves attention. People often form identities around their professions. Teachers, soldiers, engineers, doctors, factory workers were no different. The factory shirt became part of industrial identity. It represented skill, effort, productivity, a connection to the machinery and systems that shaped modern economies. The garment carried cultural meaning beyond its practical function. During the 19th and 20th centuries, industrial workers transformed societies. Railways expanded, infrastructure grew, consumer goods became widely available. Mass production changed daily life. Behind these developments stood millions of workers wearing practical clothing designed for demanding environments. The factory shirt became one of the most visible symbols of this workforce. Popular culture reinforced this association. Photographs, documentaries, historical records. Factory workers frequently appeared wearing durable work shirts. These images helped define public perceptions of industrial labor. The garment became part of the visual language of industry itself. Technological advancements eventually transformed manufacturing. Automation reduced some forms of manual labor. Computers entered production facilities. Robotics expanded capabilities. Yet factory work did not disappear. It evolved. Modern workers still require practical clothing. Contemporary factory shirts often incorporate advanced materials, moisture management fabrics, improved durability, enhanced comfort, better ergonomic design. The principles remain familiar. Support the worker, increase efficiency, withstand demanding conditions. Global manufacturing continues relying on these concepts. Whether in electronics assembly, automotive production, logistics operations, or advanced industrial facilities, practical workwear remains essential. The factory shirt survives because its purpose remains relevant. Function does not become obsolete easily. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the factory shirt is its simplicity. Unlike luxury fashion, it was never intended to impress. Unlike ceremonial garments, it was never designed to symbolize authority. Its value came from usefulness, from reliability, from serving millions of ordinary people performing extraordinary amounts of work. The garment succeeded because it solved real problems. And beneath the cotton fabric, beneath the buttons, reinforced seams, and practical construction, beneath the factories, workshops, warehouses, and production lines that reshaped human civilization, the factory shirt tells a larger story. A story about labor, about industry, about the countless individuals whose daily work built the modern world. Because history is not shaped only by kings, politicians, and inventors. It is also shaped by workers, people who show up each day, operate machines, build products, and keep society functioning. The factory shirt became part of that story. A garment of practicality, a symbol of productivity, a uniform of industry, and one of the most important pieces of workwear ever created.